Brinks Home. Everything you need to know before signing up. Brinks Home, a smart home security provider, offers robust products and services to enhance home safety. Seamlessly integrating with Alarm.com devices, the Brinks Home provides professional monitoring, customizable plans, and wide smart device compatibility, making it an attractive option for homeowners. Brinks Home integrates over 100 devices through its app, supporting most Z-Wave devices for enhanced control. Powered by Alarm.com, it offers sensors, cameras, and water monitors, integrating seamlessly without direct consumer sales. With professional monitoring, customizable plans, and compatibility with a wide range of smart devices, Brinks Home is a compelling option for homeowners looking to enhance their security. The Brinks Home scenes feature help users to streamline daily routines. For example, the sleep scene locks all doors, adjusts the thermostat to a comfortable sleeping temperature, and arms the system. The fire safety scene can automatically turn off connected devices like curling irons when the system is armed, reducing fire risks. Brinks Home's AI features include object recognition and custom alerts, enhancing security. Brinks Home offers 0% financing. Monitoring costs $29.99 to $49.99 per month with a 36-month contract. Smart home integration is included. Device costs are separate.
Go to GearBrain for more information.